What's up? Welcome to a new video. Something different than usual, simply because this week was kind of all over the place and I have no drawing for you, but I did do a lot of other stuff which I want to share with you all. That's it. This week I've been all over the place. I have a cold, so I'm sorry if you hear that or if you see that. I'm just struggling with a drippy nose. So for this week I've been basically busy here in and around my cave. I've been creating some menu boards based on a nice Pinterest tutorial article, which I'm gonna put in the description box down below obviously. And I also been painting a lot of stools because I had a lot of paint left. And the last thing I want to show is some good old screen printing, because I want to make a t-shirt for one of our handymen. I promised like twice. A bit of a craftsy kind of vlog instead of a time-lapse drawing video that you're used to see from me. So I hope you like it, and if you did so, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you don't like it, you can give it a thumbs down. That's fine too. Don't forget to subscribe if you did not do that already, because that would be so kind of you. Really. Yeah, I'm holding my camera so I cannot clap, so I will do this. So what is then the whole purpose of this video? Why am I doing this and showing this to you? I just want to let you know how I'm doing basically. But the biggest reason after all why I'm standing here sanding and painting a couple of wooden stools is because I decided to quit my job, yes. I really had nothing to complain about, okay, sometimes then. But I had a nice 9-to-5 office job, pretty great salary where I could save up and enjoy my life after work decently. But it just felt so much off to sit every day behind my laptop, participating in online meetings, creating Excel report number 1000 billion million, I don't know. And I was actually not really, fully confident for who am I actually was doing this. Okay, I did know for who and for what maybe, but did it really change someone's life because of the task that I completed? Or more important, did it change my life? Did it make my life any better doing this? I don't think so. In fact, it gave me a lot of stress, even on the weekends. I did like my job some days, and although it sounds right, it's not right at all. I believe you should enjoy your profession almost every single day. So that was it. After spending 4-ish years in environments like these, I thought it was just enough. Was it a waste of time? Oh heck, not at all. Because I got to learn a lot of new skills in life, professionally, socially. I'm super thankful for these opportunities because they made it possible for me to move and stay here in Budapest. And that's what I wanted after all, of course. But then what's next? Why am I painting these things and other stuffs? And the next station is we're gonna open a little sandwich shop, yes. And I can already tell you that's a dang crusty challenge here in Hungary. We came already pretty far in the process, to be honest, but I guess we're not done yet. And despite all the challenges, it has been already so much fun to do this. I'm able to use my creativity every day for my own purpose, and I'm doing this for myself. But why a sandwich shop then? And why am I not going to make art full time? Well, that ain't so easy. I'm gonna do this project with my boyfriend, and we both would like to pursue a more or less creative career. But we also want to make sure we have something where we can create a stable flow of income. And as we are now our own bosses, we can manage our own time and decide when we want to spend our time on drawing, commissions, making videos, writing stories, coaching, etc. etc. But the sandwich shop will stay our core activity for now, because we like a good sandwich or food in general and coffee. Who actually does not? But yeah, we need to work our asses off for this, starting with painting these stools. Although we will be a takeaway, we thought it could be very nice to have a little seating area outside. So that's why I'm doing this, and that's why I'm showing you this. But yeah, enough chit-chatting, let's move on with the video. So that's one. Here we got the other three who are now ready to dry. So basically what I did is we bought like a couple of big wooden planks. These ones are pretty thick. I try to, yeah, you can see they're pretty thick. We also have a couple smaller ones down there. Those, I made sure to scratch it all up with like this rougher kind of sandpaper. Yeah, there you see, it's pretty rough. I scraped it all up, and also the edges, so that they are like nice and round. And then I used like some kind of black bite, we call it in Dutch. This one right here. This color is called walnut. It's Dio in Hungarian. So make sure to give it one layer of the paint, then I let it dry for like overnight. It needs 4 hours for it. I let it overnight, then I scraped it up again with this type of sandpaper. It's a very smooth one, a bit smoother than the one that we had earlier. And then I gave it another layer of paint, let it dry again. And now next step is that I'm going to apply these ones right here on the back, so that we can either attach it directly to the wall, or we are going to hang like little ropes, very thin, so that we can attach it on the ceiling with this kind of hook. We're not very sure yet what we are going to do, but we'll see on the spot what is possible. So that's for the back, so that we can hang the board up on the wall. And then to hang up the menu, we use these paper clips, and I will attach it here, one there, and then you can simply hang the menu on it like that. So that's a bit of the idea, but we'll see how it turns out. Alright, see you guys in a bit. Alright, next time lapse. Starting off slow. Okay, there we go. Here we are. I'm measuring out the points where I'm going to hang up the little hangers on the back of the board. And then they had these 3 little nails, each hanger. And can you imagine how often I smashed in my hands with this thing? It's ridiculous. That's one. And then for the front we have those clippers that I guess I'm grabbing them right now from the packaging. I'm back. There we have them. I'm sticking them on the board with super glue. Also first time measuring it out. And then I think, okay, that's right. We add some super glue and we stick it on there. Make sure it's nice and straight. And by the time I was finishing off those 7 boards, my fingers were full of glue. There you go, that's one. And so I continued the rest. I think that took me like an hour or so, but the boards are now finished and I'm pretty happy with it. I think it looks pretty cool, so let me show you real quick. These are the boards, so we have 4 of these bigger ones, the thick ones, and 3 of the small ones, which will standing, and the bigger ones will be hanging on the wall. And on to the last time lapse of this video, the screen printing. Well, the process of preparing the screen itself, I don't have it on video, but it goes for a long while ago. Here I am attaching it on top of the shirt, which I displayed on the table. Within the shirt I put a cardboard piece, and then I lay it down, and on top I put the screen, and I'm clamming it on the table, which is not always easy, but I think I have it here. Then we have some white paint because I'm using a black t-shirt. I'm applying some paint on the screen. I'm grabbing something to scrape it off. It's actually used for baking. Yeah, it's done. That was it? Where am I? Oh yeah, I'm back. Okay, cool. I'm turning it around and now we're doing the back. And on the back I put a little Julci logo. So same process, t-shirt on top, screen on top of that, smashing up some paint, scraping it over, get rid of the screen, and we have the shirt done. So there he is in the mountains, and the thing is with screen printing, the more often you use the print, yeah, the less detail you can get in each print, unfortunately, because yeah, every time you're washing the frame, then some details will go away. You will wash it off. So this is the front and the back. I'm happy with it. It's a nice little personalized gift, and yeah, it's cool. So yeah, that was it. That was the vlog for now. Thank you so much for watching, and if you did like it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, thumbs down. You know the drill. Subscribe if you did not do it already. Follow me on my social media because I'm very active on stories on Instagram and whatnot, so you can see what the heck I'm doing. So yeah, that's it for now. I'll see you guys all next week, hopefully with another drawing. Okay, bye!